know, the spacebar can enhance your modeling efficiency. It serves as a shortcut for quick confirming areas function, saving time and effort during the process. To use the spacebar for area functions, first select the area, right-click to choose the desired area. Then confirm the function. Simply press the spacebar to finalize your selection and proceed with the operation. The spacebar is more than just a confirmation tool. It also allows you to quickly repeat functions like quick line, quick area, and auto count without needing to navigate back to the ribbon tab. To use the spacebar for repeating functions, first complete a function by either finishing using the tool such as quick line, quick area, or auto count. Then to reactivate the function, instead of going to ribbon tab to reselect the tool, simply press the spacebar to reactivate it. This handy shortcut improves efficiency, letting you seamlessly repeat functions and maintain focus on your workflow.